Bitch. Have you guys ever had like a really good wig day? Like everything just laid the way that it needed to and shit is just like magical. That's what I'm having today.
Me, it's just like
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Yani. You guys been good? I got a lot of shit to catch up on. Don't worry about the clothes, okay? Alright, just makeup and hair because I'm about to get dressed for y'all to show you guys a couple of outfits that I had thrifted. Not all of the pieces are thrifted, but the majority of them are. So I will show them to you how you know, girl. Ooh, bitch, hold on. My neighbors is coming. Wait a minute. All right now. I'm going to do a thrift haul / outfit of the day / whatever the fuck I want to put in between it. Yeah. So your girl been gone for years from YouTube and I'm pretty much back. Like back. So, you know. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do a thrift haul video for you guys. Well, the majority of it isn't a thrift haul. I wouldn't even say it's a thrift haul. Some of the pieces that I have are thrifted, some are not. I'll make sure that I tell you which ones are thrifted and which ones aren't. I'm just like so excited that I'm back on YouTube. Like, I have to tell you guys so much. It's like, it's ridiculous, right? Go ahead and do this video for you guys. If you like the video, make sure that you like and subscribe for more. I'm really horrible at closing shit out, so I'm gonna go ahead and just... Okay, ladies, here is our first look. I wanted to keep it really simple. Total cost was $9 for this look. Yes, babe. So what I did was paired a simple leather skirt with a shirt that I found in my dad's closet. So it was actually free. The skirt was $7 and the bag, you know, was $2. I really love this look because it's very simple. God damn it! It was a nice ass look, okay? Okay, for this next look, everything that I have on is completely thrifted except for the blouse that I have on, which a friend of mine made, and I'll make sure that I include her link in the description below. There is also a choker. Do not laugh. I just wanted to show you guys that would probably look better with the fanny pack, but I don't have one, so yeah. Alright, ladies, so this is the last and final look, and my ultimate fave. This cost me a total of $12. Yes, color scheme. I wanted it to all be kind of the same color. My favorite color is beige, so there you go. $5 for the trousers. I love the print. And $5 for the shirt, as well as the medallion I already had, and $1 for the jacket. Yes, and of course that John Q hat. That's my movie. Yes. But this is just a really simple outfit that I love. Love the color scheme. Dip on them. Yes, girl. Yes.